Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Axon and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So let's just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works here fast, correct, and we just successfully unlocked the device less than in a couple of seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, click thumbs up and subscribe.